welcome back to my channel. Today,
hey guys,
we're doing a video.
welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a challenge, and we have a guest here in my channel.
Hello.
She has not been to this channel for she made an appearance December, one of the vlogs. This is my sister, my immediate younger sister.
Oh, hello.
That bullies me all the time.
I don't mind
like
her.
Guys, she bullies me.
That's a lie.
Anyways, today we're going to be doing we're going to be doing a challenge. We're going to be doing her makeup blindfolded.
Yeah.
Let's
see how good she is.
If you're not subscribed to this channel, just subscribe and like this video, and let's just dive in, okay? But first of all, guys, let her introduce herself.
Hello, people. I'm Chine, her immediate genius sister. You know. Okay. So, please, she's gonna glam me up with her eyes tied. Please, let's see how this goes.
Alright.
I don't want to look like shit.
She's going to be helping me too. You're giving me the tools I need now.
No, that's not how it works.
No,
you have
no.
to pick the tools.
I can't
yourself.
pick it. You have to give me. Yes. Yeah. So, eyebrow pencil.
Eyebrow pencil.
You guys, pray for me.
Oh my god.
I can't see shit.
Not even road eyebrow pencil.
Chine,
What?
do you still have anything inside the
Of
eyebrow?
course now.
Okay.
Out. Oh, go be careful now, hairspray today. Go. You are doing well. Continue. Oh my goodness!
I'm doing rubbish, right?
You are doing well.
Give me
I
that,
have faith in yourself.
That's
Please
a
take.
hairspray.
Yeah.
Okay. Chine,
Concealer. Wait,
Why are you
calm
laughing?
down. I'm not laughing. Concealer and concealer brush.
yes.
Take.
Which color? Where's the brown? Okay.
Hey, hey, God of Israel. Unbelievable. Oh yeah, continue. Yeah. Oh yeah, continue. You're doing well. You did this eye right. Just get this.
Chine, don't patronize
I'm
me.
not patronizing you. That is the spirit. That is the spirit. God!
Give me foundation.
God.
Guys, we're going to
Can't
be doing
do
just
this.
eyebrow, foundation, highlighter, contour, lashes, and lip gloss. That's all. Nothing elaborate.
I
But yeah.
actually use baby skin, so sorry.
Yeah?
I'm sorry. Take. Oh yeah.
Your brush.
Foundation brush. Take.
What the fuck am I doing? Okay. If it's coming out, to tell me.
I should tell you when it's coming out. Imagine. Hey, oh.
I finish your foundation, sorry. Don't get us it.
2K now. I my hair. Yeah, continue.
I got the brows. You guys, I got the brows. Mad. Is she like mad? I got you. Mad.
Let me go closer so that they will see your blending. Just imagine, people.
You guys.
See somebody's blending. See how I'm looking like.
I am
I
blindfolded.
look like Egugu.
Where's your
What?
highlighter?
Take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you laughing?
Who is laughing? Ah, what is laughing though? You guys,
Am I doing
what
well?
about it? That yeah, overdoing well yourself.
They don't even apply anything in your eyes though. It's you're almost done, Abby.
You are doing it. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello.
Bit of it. How am I doing? So, give me that your that lip that eyebrow place. Let me use for lip liner, then give me a lip gloss. I know I can do this one even if it's time for lashes. The last but not the least. Give me lashes. Okay. I'm sure I'm not getting. So, how is that?
Hold up.
How did I do?
Ah, you did well. Yeah.
So, guys, I'm about to unfold this
and
blindfold.
see what you actually did to me.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Chile, you need to get that reaction in the camera.
My lash is even falling off. Wonderful.
I tried though.
You tried guinea. When you don't want to carry this kind of makeup too. Even
Guys.
DK is shocked. See now, I've been showing them very well. See the best part is just the brows. God. She
best
killed
part.
it. She killed it. Look at my lips. God.
Ah!
Can't do this.
Let me see. Where is the nose contour?
Which contour? Oh my goodness.
You guys,
This is what she gave
hope
to
you
me.
enjoyed this video.
This is the slay she has been talking about.
Asley.
I can't.
Asley. You slay. So we've come to the end of this video, and I want you guys to do one thing for me.
Okay,
Just
say
leave a
hi.
comment in the comment section. And if you love this kind of video, just show me, like, prove to me, say you love them, say you want me to continue this kind of video. I'm gonna bring them out for this video.
Sharp.
This
sharp,
period
sharp.
is just, we just need
We
something
want to
to
entertain
be
you guys.
entertaining you guys with, okay?
Entertain you
Yes,
guys,
nothing
'cause we know
so
everybody's
boring.
bored in the house.
Yes, and with this girl right here,
Yeah.
we're going
No
to be bringing
dull moment,
amazing
bro.
content.
No dumb moment, bro.
So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And rate this look 1 to 10. How many will you give me? Don't be too harsh
I
though.
think me,
Don't
I'm
be
giving
too
you
harsh
half
though.
already. I'll give you half. Because of the foundation, nothing else. Because my lashes, one is already out. See, DK is.
So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. DK say bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.